Hello everyone, welcome to Norsa CSE tutorial. Today I am going to share with you all GATE 2024 exam pattern. The total question is of 65 questions in the paper. Out of 10 is of general aptitude and rest 55 questions from core discipline, and those questions further categorized into three parts. First one is multiple choice questions, then there is multiple select questions, then there is numerical ability type questions. This year there is no change in the syllabus of the GATE CS examination. So the two sections are of general aptitude, consist of 15 marks, and then computer science and information and technology section consists of 85 marks. General aptitude further categorized into four sections. The first one is verbal aptitude, consists of basic English grammars, then quantitative aptitude, then analytical aptitude, then spatial aptitude. Then there is computer science and information technology section, consists of 85 marks. And in this section, the first one is engineering mathematics, then the second section is digital logic and design, third one is computer organization and architecture, then there is programming and data structures, then algorithms, then theory of computation, compiler design, operating system, databases, computer networks. And this is it. Then the subject wise marks weightage, and this is expected marks weightage. General aptitude is of 15, engineering mathematics and discrete mathematics both consist of 13, digital logic is of 6, computer organization and architecture is of 8, programming and data structures is of 15, algorithms is of 7, theory of computation is of 6, compiler design is of 4, operating system is of 9, databases is of 7, and computer networks is of 10. So this is it.